Hey there! Welcome back to MZ Riders, your one-stop destination for all things. Today, we're going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on a Kia Sportage. And guess what? It's so easy, even a kid can do it. Let's get started. First, we need to lift the windshield wiper arm away from the windshield. It should lock into a raised position. Now that it's lifted, we can move on to removing the old wiper blade. Find the small tab where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press the tab and slide the blade down and off. Now, take the new wiper blade and align it with the wiper arm hook. Slide it upwards into the hook until you hear it click into place. That means it's secure. Once the new wiper blade is securely attached, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Now, repeat the same steps for the other wiper blade. Once both wipers are replaced, it's important to test them out to make sure they're working properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the windshield wipers on a Kia Sportage. See? It's that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Bye.